Hey guys, welcome back to another Backyard Trail Builds. This week we are building a brand new jump line. One with a couple gap jumps, a pump track that's gonna weave in and out of all these cedar trees behind me. We're gonna use only cedar wood for any of the wood features. It's gonna look really cool, really nice. This is right outside of the back of my house, so I want this to look good. I want it to look really professional and nice, so I'm gonna take a lot of care on this build. To start off, we need a really good roll-in to generate tons of speed for those first two gap jumps. I'm just gonna use an old extension off of the deck that I don't use anymore, so we'll start off by tearing that down. Let's do it.
Now, for most people, taking down this extension would not be a problem. You invite your buddy over, he holds it up for you, you take it down. Bada boom, bada bing, it's done. For me, I'm stupid. I do everything by myself, so taking down a few boards becomes a life-threatening event.
That was close. Woo! Don't look for me for safety tips.
After miraculously getting through that without a scratch, I moved the deck over to where the new roller was getting built. And, of course, during that process, a tree got a little too personal with me. I was feeling pretty weird after that encounter, and I thought that was rude. So I decided to murder all the trees. I'm just kidding. These trees were coming down anyway, so I cleaned them up here so I could use them for future projects. After clearing everything out of the way, we could start measuring where the support post was going to go and then set it up. With the support post set up, we could start to work on the roll-in. I decided I didn't want the roll-in to just go straight off the deck. I wanted some curve to it for easier, flowy transition. And it always looks super sick when wooden features have smooth curves on them. So I took my 2x10 and I tied a string to an oil container, placed it 4 feet away, and drew out a 4-foot radius.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trace another one of these out because this one looks like it's gonna work perfectly, and then we'll stick them up. I decided for this angle here of the roll-in, I'm gonna go with a 45-degree angle. So essentially, if you take a speed square, it's gonna be identical to that angle.
After deciding on the angle of the roll-in, I went ahead and dug up some holes for the support posts. These would be for attaching the bottoms of the stringers to. And I dug them a bit closer to the deck because I still wasn't sure if 45 degrees was going to be enough to generate speed into these two gap jumps. So building them a bit closer to the deck left us with a little room for error, which I really was hoping I didn't have.
Ah! Dang! Rocks are friggin' heavy. Oh yeah. We've got the structure in place now. I want to go up top here. It's very slippery, so hold on. Okay, I want to look at, yeah, let's see, that looks pretty steep. So, that's awesome. I think that's gonna be perfect. Yeah, I think the 45-degree angle was right. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see if I can show you guys here. Yeah, nice and good angle on it. That's gonna give you a lot of run-in. Yeah, let's lop those the support posts off and then put the decking on. Nice, that looks great.
As I was finishing up this build, all I could think was, what if I don't have enough speed? What if I have to rebuild this entire thing? All that work for nothing, and to add to the anxiety, as I was about to make my way up to the deck with my bike, I couldn't even get up there. It was too muddy to walk up with my bike, so I had to fix that problem first.
I'm trying to ride this guy, and I can't even get up there, so let's fix that real quick. It's gonna stop. This is where this video ends, but next time we are gonna build a gap jump. I'm gonna build a big old kicker out of some plywood and out of some plans that I found online. But I wanna know, guys, should I stick a jump right here or should I do a roller and then a jump? I'm just not sure if I wanna do a roller so you have some time to flow into a jump, or if should we just come right out of this thing and do a big old gap jump? You guys tell me what you think in the comments. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This was an awesome build. This thing feels incredible. It's got loads of speed. It flows out nice. I'm really excited to start this trail, to start the pump track, the gap jumps. There's a lot to do on this one. So I hope you guys will tune in next time or watch next time or whatever you want to say. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next build.